What about taking photos? Let's say that I'm in the Villages, I find a house that I think is perfect. Am I allowed to take photos? Do I have to ask to take photos? Is it not allowed? Is it frowned upon? What is the
I am
protocol?
super glad you asked this question. We get this a lot. Um, First of all, before we do an open house, we've already talked to the sellers about removing all of those personal items. When people come to the home for an open house, we encourage them to jump on Facebook Live. We encourage them to jump on FaceTime with their friends and their family. We encourage them to take videos and photos of the house so that they're going to remember it. Hey, we know you're out looking at 20 open houses today. You're going to remember this one if you turn your camera on. And so we
Mhm.
encourage people to walk around. And if you have a whole bunch of people walking around your open house live on Facebook, it draws a lot more attention to the open house, by the way. And so we highly encourage people to do that, specifically the homeowners knowing that and have removed those personal family photos and things like that.
Right.